Hello. Those who are preparing for NEET PG 2026 have roughly 6 months in your hand. So probably you are feeling confused, overwhelmed or scared, and that's very normal. What you don't need right now is motivation. You need a real life solution and a perfect schedule which can help you in the exam. In this video, I will gonna tell you how to use these 6 months very efficiently. Like what to study, what to skip, and how to test yourself without burning out. This is not a cliche topper story, but this is a proper system. So in the part 1 of the video, I will explain why in the last 6 months most of the students fail in their preparation. So why don't they improve after studying for months? So basically, they try to do everything. They change teachers, they delay tests, and they wait to feel confident before moving ahead. NEET PG doesn't punish lack of intelligence. It punishes lack of indecision. If your resources are changing every month, your rank will also keep changing backward. So now I will tell you how to plan these 6 months very efficiently in 4 phases. In the first phase, you need to strengthen your foundation once again. In the next 2 months, do one thing. Read the whole syllabus very thoroughly once again. For one subject, keep one resource only, whatever you have done before. And then try doing the PYQs and question banks simultaneously. You are not here to master everything. You are here to build familiarity. Don't waste your precious time to make aesthetic notes right now, because these notes are not for your Instagram aesthetics but for your own revision purpose. So during the second phase of your preparation, that is for the next 2 months, you need to consolidate your resources. This phase actually decides whether your marks will increase or not. Your second revision should start from here. Give subject-wise tests, evaluate yourself on the same day. Your attempt should be like, suppose you are reading something, then after reading, try to attempt the question bank and try to attempt the PYQs related to that topic. And when you are seeing that you are repeating your mistakes again and again, then put a star mark or highlight that point, because you need to read that topic before going to the exam. This is where your mistake notebooks becomes more important than your actual notebook. Give more emphasis on the topics where you repeatedly get wrong, and you can somewhat ignore where you always get right. So after phase 1 and phase 2, we have done almost 4 months of our preparation and we have 2 months in our hand. So the last 2 months will be the game changer. So you need to be patient this time. So moving to the phase 3, that is of 1.5 month of preparation, where most of the students panic. Most of the rankers slow down in this phase only. So first of all, give GTs weekly. Your GT marks, score, rank doesn't matter here, but your pattern matter. Notice where you do wrong more. So list the topics where you are doing mistakes repeatedly, and also read the topics which seems volatile for you. So here comes the phase 4, that is the last 15 days. These 15 days are very crucial. In those days, don't try to know any new content. Don't try to hop teachers or try to know the new things, or avoid talking to other people who are studying from other sources, because obviously you will get some FOMOs that I am not doing that thing, probably I am lacking behind. So this phase is about not losing marks. This phase is only about not losing marks. Only recall, repeated mistakes review, and confidence protection. Now I will gonna explain how to give tests, and specifically the grand tests, and what's the strategy to evaluate yourself. Let me be very clear with one thing. GTs are not for any prediction of your marks or your score. These are for your corrections only. One thing I have noticed in myself also, and among my friends also, and most of the other aspirants also, that they think I will read all those 19 subjects very thoroughly, nicely. I will give revisions nicely, and when I'll be very prepared, then only I will try to do GTs. Because sometimes we have that tendency, like if we attempt GT and if you get good, like not, if you don't get good marks, then we will feel like that we are lagging behind of people and probably we won't be able to crack the exam. But that's not true. Whenever you read once something, like whenever you complete your first read, try to attempt a GT. Like I can tell you, when I first attempted my GT, I scored below 200 on 800, and that doesn't matter because till exam when I gave my last GT, I scored 600 plus there. So it's about you need to evaluate yourself that in my first GT, which questions I have done wrong, and like whether I am doing it wrong again in the another GT or not. See, if your marks are less, it's not a problem if your mistakes are new. But even if your marks are good and you are doing the same mistakes again and again, then you can say that you are stuck in it. I have gone through this phase last year only, so I can tell that most of you and almost like 95% of you are not feeling confident today, and that's very normal. You need to feel clear, you need to feel calm, because calmness and clarity creates consistency. Motivation, it doesn't last long, so you need to be clear in your mind that I need to study and like go one day at a time. Make your schedule not for next 6 months but for the next 7 days, that I need to like complete these topics within Monday, within Tuesday. It doesn't matter whether you are studying for 12 hours or whether you are studying for 7 hours. Your motive is to complete all those topics. Whether you are completing it within 7 hours, then it's okay. And if you need 13 or 14 hours to complete that topic, then also it's okay. Everybody has their own pace. Don't compare yourself with your another friends or another like aspirants, because your roadmap is different and another person's roadmap is different. I am here to guide you according to my experience. Lastly, I will say only one thing: stay consistent. Don't ever feel like giving up, because obviously that's a very competitive exam and you will feel lost someday. But what's more important is to showing up, is to read, is to evaluate yourself. And remember one thing: NEET PG and any other competitive exam don't have any particular shortcut rather than studying and evaluating yourself repeatedly. So if this video has helped you, like it, comment your thoughts below, and if you have any study related queries, you can ask me in the comment section, and subscribe my channel for more such study related videos.